In his capacity as ruler of Dubai, Vice President and Prime Minister of the UAE, His Highness Sheikh Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum issued Decree No. 24 of 2021 regulating the use of 3D printing in the construction center in the Emirate. According to a statement from the media office, the legislation supports the Emirates' strategic target to ensure that 25% of its buildings are constructed using 3D printed technology by 2030. This means that Dubai has taken a crucial step in realizing its goal of becoming a regional and global hub for 3D printing by announcing a decree to regulate the use of this game-changing technology. Dubai Municipality is tasked with overseeing the implementation of the new decree. The decree, effective from its date of issuance, also aims to promote Dubai as a regional and global hub for the use of 3D printing technologies. Part of a broader plan to spur economic growth and promote adoption of advanced technologies in the Emirate, the new legislation seeks to enhance efficiencies in construction projects, enhance the local industry's competitiveness, reduce waste, and attract leading companies in the sector to Dubai. The global 3D printing market size, estimated at $16.54 billion in 2021, is projected to hit $34.8 billion by 2026 at a compound annual growth rate of 22.5%. Also known as additive manufacturing, the revolutionary technology is becoming popular with manufacturers. 3D printing process offers a range of advantages compared to traditional manufacturing methods. These include those related to design, time and cost, among others. As per the new Dubai regulation, any entity seeking to conduct 3D printing activity in the sector must first register with Dubai Municipality and obtain a license before seeking further approvals from other authorities. Real estate developers should also ensure that 3D printing-related projects are executed only by contractors licensed for the activity by Dubai Municipality, the statement said. Dubai Municipality will promote the use of 3D printing in collaboration with government and non-government entities under the framework of the decree. To encourage the use of 3D printing in the construction sector, the municipality will create a consolidated list of incentives and facilities provided by both government and non-government entities. The Director General of Dubai Municipality will issue all the decisions necessary to implement this decree, which annuls any other legislation that may contradict its provisions, said the statement. Sometimes it takes something as simple and concrete as unhappy tenants to connect the dots between how to fix one's own building and your government's goals for improving buildings' energy use. The Dubai government also aims to retrofit 30,000 of its buildings by 2030 to help reduce the city's energy demand by 30%. It is one of several major initiatives for saving energy and water in the United Arab Emirates. Given the rapid pace at which technology is advancing, the city now has access to solutions that enable such drastic savings in the buildings. After Dubai's major and fast growth over the past few decades, the need for those solutions has become clearer in recent years. This city was built very fast, but at the time, there wasn't a focus on quality design, quality construction, quality materials, operation, and maintenance. And these big, beautiful buildings are mostly glass. In the desert, we're in an extreme climate. Dubai is sunny 364 days a year. Rain is almost zero. It always has a very intense sun with solar radiation hitting the buildings. Glass buildings consume a lot of energy. At the time, energy was cheap, so people didn't focus on energy. They just wanted comfortable buildings. So all over Dubai, the pumps and AC systems are usually much bigger than they need to be. They're not operating for maximum efficiency. Indigo Tower is one of those buildings constructed in the rush and with a way too large AC system. It is a typical, mid-sized building around 10 years old in one of Dubai's developments north of the city. It has 8 stories of apartments. The pump room is on the roof, just over rooms 812, 813, and 805. The residents in those rooms particularly described the noise above their ceilings as constant, like a jet engine. People were trying to live and sleep there. It's an apartment building. All they could hear was this loud, rattling noise that never went away. Because of the AC demands in this hot region, AC literally runs 24/7, 365 days a year. There wasn't an hour of the year that they were comfortable and having issues with their experience in the building. There is a huge drive to solve this problem. Indigo Tower's owner, H&H Property Management and Development, was also experiencing unusually high electricity costs at two of its other buildings, Green Tower, commercial, and Falcon Tower, residential, in the Daira district of Dubai. Portfolio manager Vasileios Batistas suspected it also had to do with the pumping and chilling systems. This was when his company got in touch with Taka Solutions. Taka Solutions worked with Grundfos to determine the problems around the existing HVAC, heating, ventilation, and air conditioning pumping systems. A Grundfos energy check determined that the buildings were equipped with oversized pumps, inefficient operation, and poor balancing in their constant primary chiller systems. The pumps ran at constant speed. The delta T, the temperature difference between the supply and return chilled water, was only 1 degree Celsius, which, in a building's chilling system, means extreme inefficiency. Thus, Grundfos recommended changing to close-coupled end suction pumps with variable frequency drives, intelligent NBE pumps. These could provide the exact flow requirements to the chillers without wastage and improve the delta T to 5 degrees Celsius, a simple turnkey solution. When it saw that the pumps in these three buildings, Indigo, Green, and Falcon, were wasting energy, were vibrating, were causing noise issues, weren't reliable, and had savings potential, Taka Solutions saw this as a real winner and equipment to replace, and then offered to replace the old pumps for free. It's a fact that many people from our team were skeptical about this, but it did not take long to understand how it worked. The energy savings would pay for the pump upgrade. Taka Solutions has return on investment based on the savings that those buildings will perform. It's a win-win situation because we get new state-of-the-art equipment, we extend the lifespan of our assets, we can provide a better environment to our residents, which is really important for us in H&H. And Taka Solutions gets its money back from the energy savings over some years, depending on the agreement. H&H saw results almost immediately. At Indigo Tower, the pumps previously used 36 kilowatts every hour. After the upgrade, they used between 7 to 10 kilowatts per hour. Now, 2 years in operation, they use 81% less electricity than previously. In addition, pump efficiency is not only better, but also the efficiency of the whole HVAC system. Actual payback time on the investment is just 8 months. With everything Taka Solutions does, they are only paid from the savings we generate. We have to ensure that a project is designed for the long term. Working with quality partners and equipment suppliers like Grundfos across our projects is key because it gives us peace of mind. The numbers on the other two building retrofits in 2018 tell similar stories. Falcon Tower cut its pump's electricity consumption by 46%, and Green Tower cut its use by 57%. Overall, the buildings cut their total energy savings, including that from chillers, ventilation, and lights, between 20 to 25%. The potential for similar retrofits in Dubai is enormous. It is important to focus attention on the massive contribution that retrofitting old and inefficient pumps will make to meeting Dubai's 2030 vision of a 30% reduction in water and energy consumption. He adds that pump retrofits also contribute towards the UN's Sustainable Development Goals SDG 6 and 13, Water and Climate. It starts with one building at a time. We see these buildings as locked potentials of value. Energy savings, carbon savings, money savings, they are all sitting in these buildings almost untouched and untapped. The pay-as-you-save business model, allowing building owners to retrofit their HVAC systems at no capital cost, is the incentive to unlock the long-term value in their buildings.